嗨，大家好，欢迎来到美丽汉语。Welcome to Beautiful Mandarin. Today, we're gonna learn how to express the day of week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, how to say it in Chinese. And also, we will see what's the common mistakes about this. But before we get started, I want to introduce our $99 package. With this one, we are going to get you started easily. Just following our instruction step by step, you will find out learning is fun and it's not difficult. Our classes are systematic and our teachers are experienced. We also train our teachers regularly every 1 or 2 months, which means we're gonna maintain the high quality of your class. Here is a calendar. 星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期日。If you want to practice again, just replay this part. Now you see they are not in the order, so let's practice again. 星期一、星期二、星期五、星期四、星期六、星期日、星期三。If you want to see the pinyin and play the audio, you can go to our ebook. I'll put the link below. You can study step by step with that. Now let's see the structure. When you express the month and the date, you will have month in front, the date after that, the day of the week. If you want to express today is August 3rd, Monday, then here is the sentence. So the structure you will see, first you will have 今天 means today. 是 is the verb, but this 是 is optional. So which means when you express the date, you could save this 是. But if you put it here, it's also good. And 8月3号, August 3rd, 星期一, which is Monday. So remember this order. Always the bigger thing front, the smaller thing behind. 今天是8月3号，星期一。So here are the two common mistakes, are very easy to make. The first one is the order of the sentence. In Chinese sentence, always the bigger thing in front. Like 月 is in front of 日, and then will be the 星期. If you learn the 年, which is year, and you know, you should have 年 in front of 月. And the second one is when you express the day of week, you know, we use the number. So Monday is 星期一. Monday is the first day of the week in China. So until the Sunday, but Sunday is not 星期七, it's not the seventh day of, it is the seventh day of the week, but we don't use the number 七 to express that. We will say 星期日 or 星期天. Okay, if you have any other questions about expressing the date or about any other subject, you could leave your comments below. I could make a video to answer your question. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. 再见。